Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you got to do is simply open up your Cash App app on your phone. Tap on this little amount icon which is given on bottom left corner. Right afterwards, go ahead, tap on this option of Bitcoin below savings. Now you will check out your Bitcoin status, including buy and sell option. From over here, simply go ahead, scroll down to the bottom till you find this option of your Bitcoin address just right over here. Simply go ahead, tap on it. Now you can see your Bitcoin address will simply pop up on the bottom section. You can simply choose to copy this and paste it wherever you like for the transaction purpose, or paste it to somebody and send them as well. Otherwise, this is how you can simply see it. Tap on close and you're good to go. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.